Today, we are here to automate the manual irrigation system with Tuya SDK. Now, how to develop an automatic smart irrigation system for plants which help in saving water and money. The main objective is to apply the system for improvement of health of the soil and hence the plants via sensors. Tuya Smart is a global IoT development platform that creates interconnectivity standards to connect brands, developers, and retailers across a wide range of smart devices and industries. Tuya is an internet connected device cloud platform that allows you to connect your gadgets to the internet.
Now moving towards Tuya Link SDK. SDK is software development kit. Tuya gives an opportunity to developers to create their own SDK with great ease. It provides core capabilities such as device connections, communications, and OTA updates across platforms and operating systems. The SDK is implemented in the C language and does not depend on the specific device platform and operating system environment. How to design your own SDK? Let's check it out. Click on the link in the description to create an account on Toya IoT platform. After the creation of your account, follow these steps to create your own Link SDK with Toya. Click on the product and create a new one. Scroll down and click on this Can't find the category. Enter your product name, product description, product model, connectivity protocol, power type, standard power consumption, irrigation system, and click on this create button. Here you can add your custom functions for your product. Name your custom function and select your identifier, data type, and data transfer type. In this case, we are using send and report, and data type is string name. We are using two soil moisture sensors in our system. So here sensor 1, identifier S1, send and report. Okay. In this way, you can add two data types for two sensors and one data type for our water pump. Next part of the SDK is device panel. Now you can design your own UI user interface with drag and drop facility by Tuya. Here we can select do-it-yourself style panel on Tuya Studio. Apply. Scan this QR code with Tuya app to check the design of your panel. Next part of this is hardware development. In the Link SDK section, we will select General CPU for our project and set our custom firmware. Enter your firmware identifier like ESP32. Enter the name in Chinese, name in English, firmware type, MCU firmware. Select MCU firmware, flash size of ESP32 is 4-bit. Service agreement, click generate firmware key and download your two free licenses under this line. In the purchase section, we already have ordered two generic licenses.
Download the license file in Excel format and copy this UUID and authorization key from this file and put them in your Python code. Run this Python file from here and scan your generated QR code with Tuya app. Now your created SDK is connected with your app. Upload this IDE code to ESP32. Copy this code from the link in the description. Run your Python file and enjoy the control with your own Link SDK. That's it. Let's check the functionality of irrigation system with Tuya Link SDK using ESP32.
اسمع حبيبتي اسمع